Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we are looking at the secret behind color temperature. After this video, you're going to be able to go out into the world, the wide world of color analysis and figure out, is that red top warm or cool? Is that blue skirt neutral? Probably.
But you know what else is it people don't think about for example, let's go with the red. You started with the red.
Let's go with red.
Can red be cool? Red is like, if you look at the color wheel, red, it's a warm color.
Yes, it's on the warm side.
Every single color has a warm side and a cool side except for one.
I was going to say, I knew it was coming.
Do you know what that one is?
Are we revealing it right now?
Yeah, why not?
Orange.
Orange does not have a cool side. But every other color everywhere has a warm side and a cool side. And if you are a warm season versus a cool season, you're going to lean to the cool side of the color or the warm side of the color, depending on what suits you. Why? Harmony.
Oh, yes. That's the goal.
That's the goal. That's what makes everything pretty. And I think I tell everybody, every video, I'm a painter. And if you're a painter, you strive toward harmony in your painting. And by that, I mean, if you're out doing plein air painting and it's a sunny field and it's just golden, wheat everywhere, you're going to add a little bit of gold to everything you paint so that it looks like it's bathed in sunlight. Or if you're painting, a moonlit scene and it's very cool, you're going to add a little blue so it looks like it's all bathed in the same moonlight.
So gold being warm, blue being cool.
Exactly. And this works in the world because if you're looking at a color.
This one's going to be a tricky one to do.
Well, it's neutral. Sorry.
Yeah, that's why I was like...
Neutral, so I can't really go there. And I can't really do this one because it's cool. It's on the cooler side. But you go out and you see a yellow. Yellow is one of the tricky ones where, if you say yellow is on the color wheel on the warm side, so it must not have a cool counterpart, but it does. Think toward lime, cool lemon yellow, moving that is a cool yellow in our world.
Yes.
So that means that cool people, if they're going to wear yellow, can wear that side of the yellow. If it looks like it's had some orange dipped into it or dropped into it, just a drop, that yellow gets a little more toward the orange side. That's a warmer yellow.
Going more golden.
Yeah, just a hint more gold. That makes the yellow warmer. Green's easy. Green is super easy because if you picture the green with a little more yellow in it, it's a warmer green.
Like an armier.
Well, you're thinking of a soft green, but you can also have a leaf green.
Like Kelly green.
Yeah.
A little bit warmer.
A little bit yellow. If you're painting and you're painting a leaf and you want the leaf to have gold, you want it to be a warmer leaf, bathed in sunlight, you add a little bit of yellow. And that makes it a warmer green.
Ooh. Cool green, like a spruce.
Yes.
It's Christmas time. I'm already there.
A fir.
Yes, those like pines. The cooler side.
Right. And it doesn't even have to go that far. It can just be, a green that is void of the yellow and moves a little toward its neighbor on the color wheel, blue.
Right.
And how is this working? Do you see? If you are looking at a color wheel, what you'll see is the cooler side of a color is blended with its neighbor. So, blue, if you blend it with its neighbor green, you get a warmer blue.
Because it's moving towards yellow.
I know. The whole world will say, oh, blue's a cool color. Not necessarily. Add a little bit of green to it, turquoisey, then it becomes a warm blue. Add a little bit of purple to it, then it becomes a cool blue. And that works all the way around the color wheel except for what color?
The good old orange.
Orange. Why?
Ooh, good question.
Because if you're looking at that color wheel, on one side of the orange is yellow. On the other side is red. They're both leaning kind of warm. There is no cool neighbor. Mm-hmm. So orange, the one color on the wheel that does not have a cool side.
All right, so I know there was a really amazing post on Patreon this weekend that I would definitely go check out if you want to learn some techniques and tricks.
I call them kind of mind maps, because when you're out in the world, all of this theory and it's great and it's wonderful and we'll show you the color wheel and this is all fun. But if you're in the middle of Nordstrom and you're trying to find out if this top that you're about to spend $90 on is the right tone, if it's too warm or too cool, you can't whip out, well, maybe you can, some of us could, but you won't have the color wheel. Our goal at Color Class is to teach you enough mental imagery that you can do all this in your head. Mm-hmm. It's like people who learn enough math, they can do all the math in their head. We teach you to do all the color in your head. And so we talked about some scenarios, like if you picture kind of a golden sunset and you're looking at a color and you're imagining that color being dropped into that golden sunset, does it blend or does it hover above or just not work? It doesn't go into that scene. It's either warm if it blends or not warm if it doesn't blend. Same is true in reverse. If you're imagining a winter landscape with snow and shadows that are blue. Have you ever noticed that when you're looking at kind of a beautiful scene with snow and trees and stuff, that the shadows are actually blue? Does it blend into that world, the color you're looking at, or does it kind of hover above?
Now, I was also thinking maybe we should do like a cheat sheet over on Patreon so everyone can download like a warm, cool.
Sure.
Of all the different colors and varieties and something like that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we'll have that over on Patreon. And link to get there is at the end of this video. So just go ahead or down in the description along with our socials, everything you need to know down there as well. So thank you for joining us today. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another Color Class, and we'll see you in our next video.